Fluency is not about speaking perfect English, it's about speaking with courage again and again. Speaking English fluently is a dream of many people, but most learners feel stuck at the early stage. People do understand English, they can even read English, but when it's time to speak, their voice freezes. If this feels like your own story, then this video is for you. Today I'll share 5 easy and practical steps that helped me and will help you to speak English fluently and confidently step by step. No pressure, no shortcuts, just a simple process that works. Step 1. Enjoy the language. Yeah, you heard right. First of all, enjoy the language. If you don't enjoy English, you won't stay consistent. So, the very first step is enjoyment. Choose content you like, something that doesn't feel serious. You can watch comedy videos, interviews, motivational talks, and movies. First, listen to it, read subtitles if needed, slowly try repeating lines. This is how listening turns into speaking. Always remember that when you enjoy language, practice automatically happens. Step 2. Now comes observation. This is where learning becomes powerful. Observe sentence construction. Notice how simple sentences are formed. Spot your own mistakes. Don't feel ashamed. Mistakes are signals, not a failures. And mistakes are part of your learning process, and also mistakes are proof that you are trying. Practice what you have learned. If you hear a new sentence, try this. Speak it, write it at once, use that word same day. Listening plus writing plus speaking plus reading. All these four skills grow together when you practice with awareness. Now, the step 3. This is very important. This is very important step. To grow in English, ego must go. When you make mistakes, you will forget words. You will speak wrong sometimes, and that's completely okay. I said I said many times that the mistakes are part of your learning process. Fluent speakers didn't become fluent in one day. They followed the process, repeated the steps, accept the correction, laugh at your own mistakes, learn and move forward. English is not about showing intelligence, it's about expressing your it's about expressing yourself. When ego goes down, progress goes automatically up. Now the step 4. Clarity inside your mind. Remove negative thoughts that I am bad at English. I can't speak English. I will never improve. Replace them with I am learning. I am improving. I am getting better every day. English improves when your thoughts gets improved. So start start removing negative thoughts. Now the step 5. This step will change your mentality. Ancient is not important. Perfection is not important. What people think is not important. Then you might be thinking, then what is important? I must say that your efforts, your confidence, your consistency, your hard work, this is important. Be proud of your language and nation. English is just a language, not your identity. Speak with confidence and pride. Speak imperfectly today so you can speak confidently tomorrow. Stay motivated and keep working on your English every day, just like me. And thank you for watching.